how to use digital well-being and focus mode on Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now I'm currently using the Google Pixel 8 Pro, but this should work on the Google Pixel 8 and most Google Pixel devices. So to get started, first go to the settings. So I'm gonna click on the settings. Now search for digital well-being and parental control. So digital, you don't need to type it all. Just scroll down. You'll see it at the bottom. Digital well-being and parental control. Now here you can see how often you use your phone and for how long you use it and what applications you use your phone and what applications you've used your phone. So for example, in my case, I've used my phone for 5 minutes. I've used it on YouTube, Google, and settings. So here you can also control the screen time for each application. You can set a time limit. So you can set a daily time limit for every application. For example, for this application, I could set a time limit. It currently has no time limit, so I could press here and then set, for example, 1.5 hour time limit and click on OK. And this time limit resets every day during midnight. So once you exceed the time limit, you won't be able to access the application. Now there's also other options. You could set a bedtime mood. This is really useful if you're trying to fix your sleeping habit. You can set it on by turn on now, and it's really easy to set up. Now there's also an important feature. It says it's called the focus feature. So you use this feature when you're trying to finish an assignment or you have a project you have to work on and you don't want to get distracted by any applications. So let's say I want to pause the YouTube application. You can set a schedule or you can turn it on now. I'm gonna click turn on now. Now I won't receive any notifications from YouTube till I turn it off. So that's how to use the digital well-being and focus mode on Google Pixel 8 Pro. That's it for the video and thanks for watching.